my name is Theresa and welcome to our channel. We are going to be doing the viral craze of cocoa bombs and a very special surprise. This video is dedicated to our two little nephews, Samuel and Wyatt. So we have a surprise for you two, so be sure to stay with us to the end so that you can hear the surprise. So what you see on your screen right now is that we have our molds and we have candy melt and chocolate. You're gonna wanna melt those items. You can use a microwave 30 seconds at a time, stir in between in a heat-safe bowl, and then use that melted candy or chocolate to coat the inside of the molds. Once you chill your molds in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, you can see that it easily pops out of these molds. If you are looking for these spheres, we have them linked below. Feel free to grab them. Do not pay the ridiculous prices that I've been hearing about. You can see that it's so easy to pop them out and just put them in a little muffin tray with some cupcake liners. Now here is the fun part. You can fill your cocoa bombs with anything you'd like, and be sure to stay tuned to our channel throughout all of this month of January so that you can see all the different options to put in there. Today we are choosing a hot cocoa classic mix, 1 tablespoon, and then also a tablespoon of crushed up candy canes. Great use of a leftover candied cane. Two different ways to do this. So you'll see that I used a saucepan, put it on the stove, medium heat, no more than 5 minutes. You just want it to be hot. I put it next to the candy molds and I'm using half of the sphere and I'm melting it so that it gets nice and warm. And then I'm gonna put it on top of the other half of the sphere. So it's just molding it together. The other option, especially if you have little ones near you, you can take a microwave safe plate, put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. It'll get nice and hot, and use that. And that way there's no harm in burning anyone. It takes a little bit longer because you may have to reheat the plate a few times, but either way, just as effective. When you decorate the cocoa bombs, what you can do is use that extra candy melts that you had on the side, heat those back up, put them in a either pastry bag. If you don't have a pastry bag, we have it linked below, or super handy, just grab a Ziploc bag or any type of plastic bag, pour it in there, snip off the little corner, and then really quick do back and forth design on top of your cocoa bomb. Beautiful, and then sprinkle some sprinkles on top to make it a wow factor.
Now it's time for the show. Put that cocoa bomb in a mug of your choice that it fits into, heat up milk of your choice, and start pouring over top and see what happens.
So Sammy and Wyatt are about to get cocoa bombed. So go get those boxes, get them open. If you're not Sammy or Wyatt and you do not have a cocoa bomb kit or a box to open, kids, ask your parents before ordering, you'll find the link below. You'll have everything you need for a cocoa explosion, some assembly required.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next week.